Start. Let me now come to the decision of the wage board. Full stop. Much has been said about the wage board decision as if a crime had been done by the wage board. Full stop. There was a howl from the employers and from among the other quarters as if justice had been brought down to dust. Full stop. What was the decision of the Supreme Court and what were the decision of the wage board? Full stop. I would like to point out that except in 6 cases in all other matters, the decision of the wage board were good and the wage board had an equal number of employers and the working journalist. Full stop. That is to say, the employers agreed to all other matters on which decisions had been taken. Full stop. Change. With regard to these matters, they might have certain grounds for criticism. Full stop. Now the decision had been taken through mutual talks. The decision was taken with a view to settling the dispute amicably across the table by mutual talk, and the labor minister took the initiative. Full stop. Naturally, efforts were made there in order to see how these decisions could be implemented. Stop. It was agreed that the employers should not go to court and the working journalist should not also take certain other militant offensive action. Stop. A gentleman's agreement was arrived at. Full stop. Then what happened? Full stop. On the one hand, they were preparing for litigation. Stop. On the very day on which this agreement was arrived at and a decision was taken to appoint a body where all the interest parties could discuss and settle matters, a petition was filed on behalf of the employers in the court. Stop. Therefore, I think that much of the argument that has been advanced in is something which is mischievously wrong, and we ought to take note of it. Full stop. Change. Sir, according to the Supreme Court, the wage board should not have fixed the wages. Stop. It seems that the proprietors have gone on all their promises they are made. They want even the fixation of the minimum wage to be left to the states. Full stop. They want to the scales to be determined at state levels by tribunals. Full stop. Change.